Okay, hey everyone, and welcome back. So today I got the rep build that I was talking about. Just picked it up, so I haven't really gotten to know it that well yet. But just by the first impressions, I have some mixed opinions, I guess I could say. So let's just go through the parts first. So spasm finger scales, pretty obvious by the pattern. Minecraft Chicken God Diamond Trainer V2, I think. Foxfire Factory slot liners. As you can see, they're just holes. And the Foxfire Factory full length spacers, I think they're called. They're just Foxfire Factory spacers, just those normal spacers. But yeah, I'm not sure what I think of this. The balance feels a little weird, and the handles are really blocky and flat, I guess I could say. I don't know, I think it is sort of like neutral to slight blade bias, which feels really weird. Chaplains feel off. There's something off about the chaplains. Hold up, I gotta take off my watch. It's not that smart to flip a watch on. But yeah, generally I really like the look of this thing, but I don't know. I think just the balance kind of throws me off a little bit. But the thing about this thing is I am only keeping this thing temporarily. I was originally supposed to just keep this, but some stuff happened with the tsunami when I shipped it out to the guy I'm trading with. So I made a mistake on my part. When I was going to pack it up, the shipping apparently wasn't secure enough, so the tsunami ended up falling out of the package while it was shipping, so the dude just got an empty mailer. And I am really sorry about that. That was my mistake. So I made a deal with him. I'm going to send him this rep back. And I think he would pay me for the loss of the Nami. But only $150. That's something. I'm eternally grateful, but you know, I'm definitely losing some from that, but I would rather it affect me than affect other people. But yeah, I'm not sure if I like this thing actually. It feels kind of weird. The handles are really flat. They're really like blocky. As you can see, those scales are thin. They aren't really rounded or anything. They're just really thin and lays pretty flat on the handles. And the balance is, there's just something off about it. I'm not sure. Can't really put my finger on it. It fans decently, I guess. I can obviously feel a lot more weight on the blade than the handles, which is definitely a weird feeling. I'm not sure if I like it. So yeah, to be completely honest, I'm not sure if this exact build is something for me. And I was really excited to try this. It's kind of disappointing to see that I don't really like it as much as I thought I would. And the guy said he would include a surprise when he shipped let me just show you guys that real quick. So it's a surprise that I definitely get why he would send out for free. So yeah, he sent me a Volp as well. You guys probably know my opinion on the Volps. And like what I generally think of them. And you guys know that I do not like Volps. But he said I could keep it and it would not be necessary for me to ship this back with the rep. So I guess I am keeping this for whatever reason. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but these things didn't really seem to have that good of a tune or be lubed properly. So the rep, I was not able to get rid of the tap. I tried, but there's like so little space for the blade, so it's kind of hard to avoid the tap. It is kind of inevitable, but I was able to make it bouncer. Probably could have been bouncer, but this is the best I could do by the short time I had before making this video. But yeah, I'll send this thing back to its original owner after a few days. He gave me some time to make some content with it, so I'm really grateful for that. But I am not going to keep this thing for long, and I just do not think this is for me. And this thing especially is definitely not for me. This is the version without the ball opener as well, so the blade definitely has a little bit more weight. Might even flip a little better, but again, the finishing, I just can't stand the finishing. It's so weird. And the chaplains, Jesus. Oh god. But yeah, that was basically just my first impressions and opinions that I've formed just by the few minutes that I've flipped this thing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.